Welcome. If you want to keep your personal information private on X, formerly known as Twitter, hiding your date of birth is a smart move. Today, I'll guide you step by step through the latest update on how to hide your birth date using your PC. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the X website. Make sure you're logged into your account. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a menu. Click on Profile to enter your personal profile page. Once you're on your profile, look for the Edit Profile button near the top right of your profile section. Click on it. This will open up a menu where you can change different details about your profile. Now, scroll down until you find the section labeled Birth Date. Next to it, you'll see an Edit option. Click on that. A new window will pop up, and here you'll need to click Edit again to access your birth date settings. Here's where you control your privacy. You'll see two separate options, one for your birth month and day, and another for your birth year. Click on the drop-down next to month and day and select Only You. This ensures nobody else can see your birth month and day. Then, do the same for your birth year. Set it to Only You as well. Once you've made both selections, look for the Save button at the top or bottom of the window and click it to confirm your changes. Your date of birth is now hidden from everyone but you. By following these steps, you've taken control of your privacy on X. No one else can view your date of birth, giving you greater peace of mind while using the platform. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with others who want to protect their privacy online. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.